In this video, I'll show you how to use the Inactivate Tasks feature for risk management planning. In my previous video, I showed you how to use the Inactivate Tasks feature to cancel unneeded tasks in a project. However, thanks to a colleague of mine named Tony Proctor, I learned another use for the Inactivate Tasks feature, which is for risk management planning. This technique involves adding tasks to the project that might be needed if a risk occurs, and then inactivating them. If the risk occurs, we'll activate those tasks. But if the risk never occurs, we'll leave them as inactive tasks. So let me show you how this interesting technique actually works. Here's my project completely planned. I just showed it to my project team and they freaked out. They said, "Dale, when we're doing the testing, if the testing does not go well, we will end up needing to do a rebuild and then a retest." So basically what I need to do is to add 2 new tasks to this project for risk management purposes. Let me show you how to do that. First of all, I'll go ahead and add the 2 tasks. Please notice the naming convention, how I put risk : in front of the task name. This clearly identifies these are risk management tasks. Then we'll continue with putting in duration values. Then we'll go ahead and set task dependencies. And then finally, I'll assign resources to each of the tasks as well. Here is where the trick comes in. You must have the professional version of Microsoft Project to be able to do this, because only the professional version includes the Inactivate button. These 2 risk management tasks are not intended to be part of the original planned project. They're sitting in reserve in case we need them down the road. So what I'm going to do is to cancel these 2 tasks by selecting them and clicking the Inactivate button. Notice how Microsoft Project now reschedules the Implement task to be back in the schedule exactly where it was before I added the 2 risk management tasks. Now we need to save a baseline for the project. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Set baseline. Set baseline. Okay, bingo, we've got the baseline saved. I think you would agree with me at this point that these 2 tasks really are ugly in the project. They don't belong here. I think most of you would agree we don't need to display those tasks while the project is currently underway. So let me show you the trick on how to hide the 2 risk management tasks. I'll go to the View ribbon, Filter Pick List, and I'll choose the built-in filter called Active Tasks. See? There. That looks like our original project. The only thing that's off is a little bit is the task ID numbers, but who cares about the task ID numbers? They don't matter at this point. All right, so we got the project planned, risk management tasks included, baseline the project, we've hidden the risk management tasks. Now everybody play along with me here. Let's pretend that we've done the design, build, and test tasks. So let me go ahead and mark these as 100% complete. We're going to pretend that they finished on time and on schedule. Except, here's the deal. The testing did not go the way we hoped. In fact, we now need to do a rebuild and a retest. So let me show you how to activate risk management tasks, because at this point, they're needed in the project. So I'll go back to View, and on the Filter Pick list, now I'll just pick No Filter. There they are. There's the complete schedule. Here's our inactivated tasks. Let's activate them now and see what happens. So all I need to do is click the Inactivate button again, because it's actually a toggle button. It's on or off. So let's click it again to toggle it, and that adds these two tasks into the project schedule. Here's the new project schedule. What I want you to notice is this. The project has now slipped 5 days. Why has it slipped 5 days? Because of the two risk management tasks that together take a duration of 5 days. Also notice we have work variance of 80 hours. Where does that come from? It's from the two risk management tasks that have a total of 80 hours of work assigned to them. So this is how to use the Inactivate feature in Microsoft Project Professional to plan in advance for risk management tasks, and then to use them, but only when they're actually needed. Well, now you know another use for the Inactivate Tasks feature in Microsoft Project. I sure hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure and like, subscribe, click that notifications button. If you have questions or comments, be sure and put them in the comment section below. I always do my best to answer every question. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.